how it feels to chew 5 gums.
I don't. Wait. Which one? What?
Are you sure?
I don't. There's so many. Well, we know fish is fishing. We know that fish is fish. Wait, no, door. The door.
Oh god. Fine.
Yes. Let's make this sound realistic. Fish. Oh my god, this is too much. What happened to Weezer? Did he die?
Well,
I guess not.
I'm about to say probably. I should make that just 1 hour Pinterest saying probably.
No, you should make one out. That's 2 in a row. That's 3 in a row.
Oh my god. No!
Are you sure?
No more! No! No! No more!
I'm slowly losing my sanity.
Pew, pew.
Pew, 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 pew.
Let's duplicate this.
No more.
Are you sure?
Please. Yes, I'm sure.
And let's duplicate Yellowface.
No.
Let's duplicate the BFD ice cream. Or
Sound effects, dumbass. Can you stop going? What happened to Weezer? Is he gone? Is he fish? Why is it every time I say Weezer?
no, it's every time you ask if Weezer's dead.
Oh. Well, is Weezer dead though?
Are you sure?
No. Yeah, David, seriously.
I think David turned into a cat. And I think the cat turned into a skeleton. And I think the skeleton turned into a snowball. And I think the snowball turned into a haunted house. And a fire alarm. What? What was that?
I don't think that was supposed to happen.
Sounded like an echo.
Oh.
Echo.
Does Squidward still work? Or Plankton? There's Weezer. Yeah, David.
Is
seriously.
Weezer dead though? Oh, I think I think it stopped responding to me. Oh. Oh man. Oh, your computer sounds like it's about to explode.
It'll be fine.
How many tabs is that?
Like 30 something. No, ad.
Probably why it wasn't working. Moaning plankton. I'm sorry, what? Microwave.
No.
Please. Oh.
Are you sure?
Oh, hi, Michael Jackson.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
What is happening? I think Weezer's actually dead this time. What happened to Weezer? Where Weezer go? Well, that was not Weezer. That was Michael Jackson.
Oh, I'm gonna torture myself. Hold on, where to go?
Oh no. Random Discord pings. Oh, you're torturing me as
And I'm gonna
well.
open Discord.
No!
So that way.
Oh my god, no.
Ooh. Oh no.
Dingle, dangle, dingle, dangle.
What the
Oh, it's frozen.
No wonder why. Why is 4 here?
Oh my god, it's frozen.
Why is 4 here? I thought 4 was in the moon. What is that? Oh my god.
Alright, let's wait for the chaos.
Oh no. I'm also gonna open Discord.
Oh my god.
Well, actually, there's nothing to open Discord.
Michael Jackson wanted to interrupt you.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Oh. You actually got a Discord ping, though.
No, I found a location.
Someone did something. We got, oh my god, we have 50. Why is Discord red? Why is Minecraft's Discord trans gay?
Oh my god, bro.
Why does Minecraft look gay for Pride Month?
Because it's a company and companies do that.
Roblox doesn't. Giggity giggity gangster.
How far into your recording are you?
Like 8 minutes.
This is just boring. It'll be a boring video, bro. Oh my
Yeah.
god, I actually got a notification.
Oh,
Wait.
who is Chris? Oh. Capri Sun.
Oh my god.
To come to Alvin. No. 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 Oh my god. Chris. Oh, they started a call that lasted an hour. Dear God.
Are you sure?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going to lose it. I'm actually going to fucking lose it. Did a cat just fucking... Alvin's funeral. I can't join. I can't join Alvin's funeral.
Rip. Goodbye, 5 million tabs.
Are you sure?
Huh? Is there a zombie eating a plant or some shit? Evil, evil, good, bad. Evil, evil, bad, good. She's 17, Scott. That should be one of the many sound effects, to be honest. I know this video may be playing.
I already exited out.
Ah, shit. You should do that again, though.
No.
Oh, man. Well, goodbye. I am good. You gonna say it? Okay,
Goodbye,
now.
I'm bad.